Hi guys, good to see you again. In today's video I'd like to talk about the definite, indefinite and zero article.
There's a boy over there. His name is Michael. Michael is a schoolboy. When he grows up, he wants to be an astronaut. He knows that in order to become an astronaut, he has to be fit and healthy, so he exercises 4 times a week.
The indefinite article is used with singular countable nouns. It has two forms, a and an. We use a when it precedes words beginning with consonants. For example, a dog, a boy, a university. Note that university starts with a y sound. University, and y is a consonant. That's why we say a university. We use an when it precedes words beginning with vowels. For example, an apple, an item, an umbrella. We use the indefinite article when we talk about something for the first time. There's a boy over there. I have a dog. They want to adopt a child. We use it when someone or something is a part of a group. He's a schoolboy, she's a mother. Is a spider an insect? We use it with jobs. He wants to be an astronaut. Maggie is a teacher and Philip is a dentist. We also use it for times and measurements. He exercises 4 times a week. He was driving 80 kilometers an hour. She only eats twice a day.
The boys in Michael's class make fun of his dream. What the boys don't know is that Michael's father works for NASA and can help Michael make his dream come true. Michael is sure that one day he'll be able to see the USA, the Pacific Ocean, and the Rocky Mountains from space. He might even walk on the moon. Since he plays the keyboard, he would love to play it in space. That could be the funniest experience in his life.
We use the definite article when we talk about a particular group of things or people. The boys in Michael's class make fun of him. The teachers that I know are nice. I only visit Pam to see the cats. We use it when the listener already knows what we're talking about. What the boys don't know is that Michael's father works for NASA. You wanted to walk the dog, didn't you? I won't forget the camera tomorrow, I promise. We use the with some geographical names. We use it when the country's name has an already existing noun in it. We use it with oceans, mountain ranges, and rivers. We use it with unique objects like the solar system, the moon, the sun. We use it with musical instruments when we mention the ability to play. Michael plays the keyboard. I can play the drums. He can't play the flute. We also use it with the superlative form of an adjective. The funniest experience in his life. I'm the tallest here. She's the most beautiful girl I've ever seen. Do you think that the exercises I include in my videos are not enough?
Good news!
I've just launched an Etsy shop where you can find grammar and vocabulary exercises. Check it out, link is in description. And now, back to the video.
Michael reads a lot about famous astronauts. Neil Armstrong, Valentina Tereshkova, Guy and Bluford Jr. are just a few names of people who inspire him. Whenever he lacks motivation to study, he thinks how hard his role models work to achieve their goals, and this pushes him to overcome laziness. He studies a lot. Maths, chemistry, and physics are the subjects he finds the most interesting, and in the future he wants to study astrophysics. When he's not studying, he likes playing sports. His favorite sports are basketball, baseball, and swimming.
We don't use articles with proper nouns. Proper nouns are particular places, objects, or people. A proper noun is always spelled with a capital letter. For example, Michael, London, Friday, Jupiter. We don't use articles with abstract nouns. Motivation, laziness, love. We don't use articles with school and academic subjects. Astrophysics, chemistry, physics. We don't use articles with sports, basketball, baseball, swimming. We also don't use articles when we talk about things in general. Vegetables are healthy. Dogs are friendly. Doctors save lives. Let's move on to the exercise. Thanks for watching. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel to be up to date with my English lessons. Have a great day and I'll see you next time. Bye!